Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies in the microwave. First, gather your essential ingredients like all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and unsalted butter. You will also need a microwave-safe mug or small bowl. Accurate measurements are key for a perfect cookie, so have your measuring spoons and cups ready. This simple method brings a warm, fresh cookie to you quickly. Now let's mix your cookie dough. Start by creaming together your butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Then, beat in an egg yolk and a splash of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk your dry ingredients like flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, mixing just until combined. Form a small, uniform dough ball. It's time to microwave your cookie. Place your dough ball into your microwave-safe dish. Cook it for approximately 45 to 90 seconds, depending on your microwave's wattage. Keep a close eye on it. The cookie will look slightly underdone but will firm up as it cools. Overcooking can make it tough. Let it cool for a minute or two before digging in. For an even more delicious treat, consider adding chocolate chips, sprinkles, or a dash of cinnamon to your dough. If you prefer a chewier cookie, reduce the cooking time by about 10 seconds. For a firmer texture, add 10 seconds. Remember to clean your microwave-safe dish right after use. Enjoy your warm, homemade microwave cookie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.